Elgersma.
And I'm Rick Elgersma.
And we're with Real Connections, which is a counseling agency, but we are branching out and doing retreats. We're trying to help couples move from good to great. It's going to be called Intimacy Reimagined. Let us tell you a little bit about what that means exactly.
That's right. Intimacy is not about sex. A lot of people get that wrong. Being intimate is not the same as intimacy. Intimacy has everything to do with security and assurance and acceptance and all kinds of things. But how do you get there? We have 9 steps to get us to relationship greatness. We are relationship people, but if you don't have a way to get to relationship greatness, there isn't a pathway, then we stay on our plateaus. Then mediocrity is what we get.
What are the basic tenets then?
9 tenets of this retreat, of this workshop, is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. When you infuse all of those things into your relationship, you can't imagine how great you can be. You won't even be the same couple when you leave this retreat and workshop. We can't wait for you to experience it. Go ahead and click that button, contact us. We'll schedule an interview with you because we want to get to know you first. We can't wait to hear from you.
Only 5 couples. Don't you want to be one of those 5 couples? Come
Yes.
to the inaugural one.
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do. In Ames, Iowa. And if that doesn't work, please let us know that you'd like to be on our email list, and we'll make sure you hear about future retreats. They'll still be based on the same concepts. We want to make your relationship great.
Good to great.